Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl Goa, brought to you by Rotary Club of Panji Midtown. The preliminary written round of the Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl Goa was held last Saturday at two centers in North and South Goa, and correction round was held last Sunday. 81 schools, 243 students participated in the preliminary round. Each school was allowed to put up only one team of 3 students from 7th, 8th, and 9th class. It's now time to welcome the teams for the finals of Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl Goa. Team 1, they are the third place holders at South Goa, Loyola High School Madgaon, represented by David D. Cruz, Dinesh Palekar, and Manjunath Naik. Team 2, they are again the third place holders at North Goa, Chubby Chicks Spring Valley High School Pilan, represented by Andrew Facho, Vedant Kamath, and Anahat Warji. Team 6, runners-up of North Goa, Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High School, Kujira, represented by Kapil Nerurkar, Avnish Sawant, and Pratyush Sodankar. Team 5, runners-up of South Goa, Navy Children's School Dabolim, represented by Angat Singh, Grisha Singh Bal, and Nitin Panigrahi. Team 3, winners of North Goa District, Lourdes Convent High School, Saligaon, represented by Ethan Dias, Mishka Azevedo, and Moses Fernandez. Team 4, winners of the South Goa District, St. Joseph's Institute, Vasco, represented by Arohit Tari, Aditya Nayak, and Mohammad Alam. He grew up in Goa, where he won many inter-school quiz contests. He has written the definitive article on quiz for the Encyclopedia Britannica. His first quiz book, Three's a Quiz, was written from memory. Please welcome our professional quiz master, Sanat Raikar.
Welcome to today's quiz, the finals of the Final Glow Rotary Quiz Bowl of Goa. We have 18 of the best quizzers, the best school quizzers in Goa here on stage with us today. We'll have 6 rounds in the final. They'll be attempting some direct questions, some buzzer questions, and there'll be a round of rapid fire as well. So without any further ado, let's begin round 1. Round 1, the world around us. Let me quickly explain the rules. Each team will get 1 direct question. You will have 30 seconds to answer the question. You'll see the timer on the screen. In case of a right answer, you get 10 points. In case of a wrong answer, the question will pass to the next team. You have a chance to get the right answer for 5 points. So 10 points for a right answer, 5 points for a pass, and we'll go around starting with team 1, team 2, and so on. So let us begin round 1 with the first question to team 1. Team 1, Loyola High School, Margao. Your first question coming up on the screen. Masherbrum was the first mountain surveyed by British surveyors in a mountain range in the Gilgit region. The second mountain they surveyed did not have a local name, so they gave it a name. It was also formally named after an early explorer of the region. Give me either the survey name or the explorer name of this mountain. Your 30 seconds start now. Team 1 passes the question. All right. The question passes to Team 2. Team 2 passes the question. Question passes to Team 3. Team 3 passes the question as well. All right, passes to Team 4. Pass? Pass, all right. Team 5? Pass as well. Team 6? Team 6 passes as well. All right. So this is, anyone in the audience wants to take a guess? This is not Mount Everest. This was in the Karakoram range. The second mountain did not have a name, so they just called it Karakoram 2, which became K2. So this is Mount K2, which is also called Godwin Austen, second highest mountain in the world. All right, moving to the second question. Okay, Team 2, your first question. Vincent Yanis Pinzon was captain of the ship Nina in Columbus's first voyage to the New World in 1492. In 1499, he was the first European to discover what water body, which he called Mar Dulce, or the Sweet Sea. Remember, teams, there are no negatives for a wrong answer, so feel free to take a guess. Five more seconds. I'm sorry?
Indian Ocean.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's not the Indian Ocean. Question passes to Team 3.
Caribbean Sea.
Not the Caribbean Sea, I'm sorry. Question passes to Team 4.
Pass.
Pass. Question passes to Team 5.
Sir, Gulf of Mexico.
Not Mexico, sorry. Team 6.
So is it Mediterranean Sea?
Not the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, so bit of a trick there. This is actually the Amazon River. It was so vast that people thought it was a sea and hence thought it was a sweet sea. It wasn't salty. However, they later discovered that it was actually a river. Okay, moving on to question 3, which is the direct to Team 3. It is the highest mountain in the eastern hemisphere on Earth. It is also known for its snow cap, in spite of being only 3 degrees south of the equator. Which mountain, whose peak was named Uhuru Peak, meaning Freedom Peak, after the country's independence in 1964?
Mount Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro is the right answer. 10 points to Team 3. Well done, Team 3. The next question coming up to Team number 4. This island group includes islands such as Tenerife, Lanzarote, and La Palma, and belongs to Spain. While it may seem that the islands were named after a bird, in reality they were named as islands of dogs due to a large number of dogs found there. What is the name of these islands? Ten more seconds.
Seychelles.
It's not the Seychelles. Sorry. Question passes to Team 5.
Sir, Canary Islands.
Canary Islands is the right answer. 5 points to team 5. So while it may seem that the Canary Islands were named after the canary bird, they were actually named as Islas Canarias, which comes from Isles of Dogs. The canary bird actually got its name from the Canary Islands and not the other way around. All right, 5 points to team 5 there. The next question coming up is to team 5, your direct. What geographical entity is 75 kilometers long and lies between the Saltoro Ridge and the main Karakoram Range? It is the source of the Nubra River in Ladakh and separates Pakistan from China. In 1984, India formally occupied the region in Operation Meghdut, preventing Pakistan from illegally taking it over. Time starts now. Ten more seconds.
K2.
I'm sorry, this is not K2. We had K2 as an answer. Question passes to team 6. Team 6, I need an answer.
So Kargil.
Not Kargil. Question passes to team 1.
Gilgitstan.
Not Gilgitstan. Question passes to team 2. Team 2 passes. Question passes to team 3.
The Radcliffe line?
I'm sorry?
The Radcliffe line.
That's not the answer I'm looking for. And question passes to team 4. Team 4, I need an answer.
Pass.
You pass. All right, it was team 5's direct. So no team got that answer. This is the Siachen Glacier. It's something which is very heavily contested by India and Pakistan. Of course, India formally occupies it. We'll move to the last question of this round, which is the direct to team 6. Team 6, your question coming up here. This country was formerly the location of the Pew, Mon and Pagan kingdoms. It was a British colony until its independence in 1948. It has seen internal war since a coup in 1962 and has mostly been under military rule. Which country whose capital city is Naypyidaw? Another 15 seconds. Team 6 passes the question. Question passes to team 1.
Is it Myanmar?
Myanmar is the right answer. 5 points for team 1. Great. So with that, we come to the end of round 1. While the scores are being tallied, we have a couple of questions for the audience. If you know the answer, just shout it out. Teams, feel free to shout it out as well. The first of the audience questions is coming up now. This city is located at the confluence of two tributaries, the White Nile and the Blue Nile. The two tributaries, of course, merge to form the Nile River. The city is capital to what was earlier the largest nation in Africa before the southern portion of the nation became a separate country. Name the city. Khartoum it is. Khartoum is the right answer, the capital of Sudan. Khartoum actually has 3 parts to the city separated by the two tributaries of the Nile and the Nile itself. Move to another audience question. The logo of the popular chocolate brand Toblerone features this mountain, which is the 12th tallest mountain in the Alps. Which mountain, which gets its name from its distinctive shape, as it towers over the surroundings?
Excuse me, the Matterhorn?
Matterhorn is the right answer. Great guess there. So that brings us to the end of round 1. Let's take a look at the scores.
The scoreboard after round 1. Team 1 scores 5 points. Team 2 has not yet opened their score. Team 3 has got 10 points. Team 4 has again not opened their score. Team 5 is at 5 points and Team 6 is yet to open the score.
Great. So Team 3 taking an early lead in this quiz. All 5 hands to go today. Second round, which we shall start now, will start from Team 6 this time. We'll go in the reverse order. So the first question will be to Team 6 and then Team 5 and so on. That will be the pass order as well. So the first question of round 2 coming up to team number 6. It is the largest known fish species and can weigh over 30 tons. Its name is a misnomer. It gets the first part of its name because of its size and feeding habits. The second part of the name is the family it belongs to. Name this fish.
Great white shark.
I'm sorry, it's not the great white shark. Question passes to team 5.
Greenland shark.
It's not the Greenland shark. Question passes to team 4.
Blue whale.
It's not the blue whale. Question passes to team 3.
The whale shark.
Whale shark is the right answer. 5 points to team 3. The blue whale is actually not a species of fish at all. It's a mammal. The great white shark and the Greenland shark are both species of shark, but they are smaller. The largest type of shark is actually called the whale shark. It's not a whale, it's just called a whale shark. Moving to the next question, which goes to team 5. In the movie WALL-E, the title character uses a fire extinguisher as a rocket. Here he is discovering how to use it. What law of physics is being applied here?
Third law of motion.
Third law of motion is the right answer. 10 points to team 5. This is Newton's third law of motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. The next question goes to team 4. A certain set of chemical elements got their names from these words: sun, new, idle, hidden, and stranger. Which set of chemical elements? A sixth member discovered later got its name because it was radioactive.
Radium.
I'm sorry?
Radium.
I want the name of the set of chemical elements. Ten more seconds. Okay, team 4 passes to team 3.
Metalloids.
I'm sorry?
Metalloids.
These are not the metalloids, I'm sorry. Question passes to team 2. I'll need an answer, team 2. Team 2 passes. Question passes to team 1.
Noble gases?
Noble gases is the right answer. 5 points to team 1. These are the noble gases. Helium gets its name from Helios, the sun. Neon from the word new because it was discovered anew. Argon because it's a lazy gas, it doesn't react. That's how it got the name argon from Greek. And so on, krypton and xenon. The radioactive one, which is discovered later, is called radon. So that brings us to the halfway point of round 2. The next question goes to team 3. National Science Day is celebrated in India on the 28th of February every year. It commemorates a Nobel Prize winning discovery made in 1928. Who made this discovery?
C.V. Raman.
C.V. Raman is the right answer. 10 points to team 3. Well done there. The next question is to team 2. A genus of frogs in southeastern Madagascar contains some of the smallest frogs known. They range from 8 to 15 millimeters in length. 3 species of frogs are found in the genus and are called mum, skule, and acher. What is the name of the genus? So if you see the name of the animal, it's typically written as the genus name followed by the species name. The species names are mum, skule, and acher. What name precedes these 3 names, which is the genus name? Team 2, I'm sorry, you're out of time. I'll have to pass you. The question passes to team 1.
Poison arrow frogs.
Not the poison arrow frogs. Those are found in South America. Good guess there, but that's not the right answer. Question passes to team 6.
So genus skule.
I'm sorry?
Skule.
Not skule, that's already part of the question. Question passes to team 5.
Minusculature.
I'm sorry?
Minusculature.
Minuscule, I'll give that to you actually. The answer I'm looking for is mini. So 5 points to team 5. So these are the smallest frogs and the genus is known as mini. So the frogs are mini mum, mini acher and mini skule. Good wordplay there. Well done team 5. The last question of this round, the direct goes to team 1. Identify this scientist, only the 3rd scientist in India to win the Bharat Ratna award.
CNR Rao.
CNR Rao is the right answer. 10 points to team 1. So with that, we come to the end of round 2. And while we quickly tally up the scores, here's a couple of questions for the audience. The Ashok Chakra, India's highest peacetime gallantry award, was given to Gennady Strekalov, Yuri Malishev, and which other person in 1984? This person was the first from India to achieve a certain feat and so far remains the only Indian citizen to have done so. The year is 1984. They got the Ashok Chakra. Yes? Rakesh Sharma it is. Yes. Rakesh Sharma, who was the first Indian to go to space. The Ashok Chakra was given to Rakesh Sharma and the 2 Russian cosmonauts who were part of his mission, Gennady Strekalov and Yuri Malishev. Of course, since then, a couple of other Indian-born people have been to space, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, but Rakesh Sharma remains the only Indian citizen to have gone to space till date. That will change soon with all the efforts that our government is putting in, hopefully very soon. So we are ready for the scores at the end of round 2.
The scoreboard after round 2. Team 1 is with 20 points. Team 2 yet to open their score. Team 3 with 25 points. Team 4 yet to open their score again. Team 5 with 20 points and Team 6 have not yet opened the score.